Hey there, gearheads! Get ready for an adrenaline-fueled ride as we dive into the latest insider scoop straight from Chevrolet's garage. Brace yourselves because it seems like Chevrolet is cooking up something truly mind-blowing. A 1,000 horsepower Corvette variant, informally dubbed as the Zora. Join us as we uncover all the thrilling details about this electrifying revelation, from its groundbreaking hybrid powertrain to its potential game-changing affordability. Rev up your engines and buckle up because we're about to explore the heart of the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora, a beast that's set to redefine automotive performance. Let's dive into this automotive masterpiece together. Changes in interior of 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora. The interior of the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora is poised to deliver a blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Expect a driver-centric cockpit designed to enhance the driving experience, with premium materials and finishes throughout. With its 1,000 horsepower performance, the Zora's interior will likely feature sporty yet comfortable seating, providing ample support during high-speed maneuvers. Advanced infotainment and connectivity options will keep drivers connected on the road, while driver assist technologies will offer enhanced safety and convenience. Additionally, bespoke touches honoring the Corvette's legacy may adorn the cabin, reminding occupants of the Zora's iconic lineage. Overall, the interior of the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora promises to be a harmonious blend of performance-focused design and modern comfort, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience every time you step behind the wheel. Changes in exterior of 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora. The exterior of the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora is set to captivate enthusiasts with its bold and aerodynamic design. Drawing inspiration from its legendary predecessors, the Zora will showcase a striking silhouette, characterized by aggressive lines and sculpted curves. Expect premium finishes and attention to detail throughout, with aerodynamic enhancements optimized for performance and stability at high speeds. LED lighting elements will add a modern touch to the Zora's exterior, while signature Corvette styling cues will pay homage to its iconic heritage. Additionally, expect unique Zora badging and trim details to distinguish this model from other Corvette variants. With its commanding presence and unmistakable style, the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora promises to turn heads and set new standards for performance-oriented design in the automotive world. Get ready to experience the thrill of the open road like never before with the breathtaking 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora. Engine and performance of 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora. The 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora is poised to redefine automotive performance with its groundbreaking engine and powertrain options. Boasting a rumored 1,000 horsepower variant, the Zora promises exhilarating acceleration and unmatched speed on the road. Rumors suggest a hybrid powertrain, combining the ferocious power of a twin-turbocharged 5.5 liters V8 engine with one or more electric motors, potentially driving the front wheels. This innovative setup ensures blistering performance while enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. With its cutting-edge technology and relentless power, the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora is set to deliver an adrenaline-pumping driving experience that pushes the boundaries of automotive performance to new heights. Price and release date of 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora. The 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora is expected to make a splash in the automotive world with its potentially jaw-dropping affordability. While specific pricing details have yet to be confirmed, rumors suggest a starting price under $150,000, positioning it as a competitive option in the supercar market. As for the release date, enthusiasts eagerly await its unveiling, with speculations hinting at a debut around the 2023 LA Auto Show, possibly as a 2025 model year vehicle. With its combination of groundbreaking performance and accessible pricing, the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora is poised to become a sought-after addition to any enthusiast's collection. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into the exhilarating world of the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora. From its mind-blowing performance to its stunning design, we've explored every facet of this automotive masterpiece. Keep your engines revving and your eyes peeled for more updates on this groundbreaking supercar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future content. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the Zora and what you're most excited about. Until next time, stay tuned, stay informed, and keep chasing the thrill of the open road with the 2025 Chevy Corvette Zora.